It's the most wonderful box of the year. Hi, we're John and John, co-founders of Craft Gin Club, and we're here at Winterland in London today with a very special guest.
Hi, my name is Tarquin and I'm December's Gin of the Month distiller.
And on Santa's behalf, we're here to unveil a treasure trove of treats this Christmas. It's the biggest and best box of the year with an amazing 10 items in the box, so let's get stuck in. Ready, guys?
Ready? Ta-da!
This month's gin is the very exclusive Tarquin's limited edition Cornish Christmas Gin.
Sounds amazing, Tarquin. So what exactly inspired this beauty?
As with all our gins, it's inspired by the wild coast of Cornwall, but during this magical time of year, it's infused with additional festive botanicals. We've got tonka beans, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and clementines.
Okay guys, so what mixes have we got in the box this month?
You'll find great mixes from Schweppes for the perfect serve, including crisp tonic water, golden ginger ale, and muscovado.
And we've also created a Christmas cocktail especially for club members. It's a warming cocktail to share with friends and family for this festive season. It includes this Christmas spice syrup, and from now on we'll always be sending you the ingredients for the cocktail of the month.
So it's out with the mulled wine and in with the hot gin. And when the weather outside is frightful, a appetizer cocktail is quite delightful.
We've also got some prawn cocktail crisp for that posh Christmas lunch.
So we've got this copper pot Christmas spice fudge, and it's deliciously Christmassy and buttery.
And to top it all off, we have the Arden and Michi panettone, which is great for your Christmas pudding.
So it's a festive season. We don't just drink gin, we also cook with gin. So in your gin magazine, we've got a special guest, Mr. John Waite from Great British Bake Off, and lots of recipe ideas in there for your festive delight. Right, starting to get a little bit nippy, John, Tarquin, so I think it's time for a hot gin cocktail. What do you say?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
All right, so in your gin magazine, you'll find the instructions for our cocktail of the month, a hot Christmas spirit. Tarquin, are you going to play mum?
Yep, I'm ready.
Brilliant. So here come the instructions. Let's start with a good slug of Tarquin's wonderful Christmas gin. So 3 of those, 50ml is the measure that comes in the magazine. That's all there in front of you. It's fantastic. Then next up in the box this month, you'll find our Christmas spice syrup. So if you could put a smaller slug of that into the cups, Tarquin, please. So un, deux, trois. Fantastico, right. Next ingredient, let's top it up with some hot water. You'll find that next to the glasses. Give that a go. Alright, look at that. And then for garnish, we should have over there some orange slices and some cloves. So pop those in, please. It should look a little like that, so we'll see how it compares. What do you think? He's done a pretty good job. Let's have a taste, John. Yeah, what do you think?
Oh, that's a perfect warming drink. It's so Christmassy. You really get the cloves and the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. It's really festive drink.
So thanks for joining us today, Tarquin. It's been lots of fun. Very Merry Christmas to you and your family. And cheers.
Thank you, Tarquin. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let the festivities begin.